Hey there, welcome back to another exciting lesson of our Digital Planner series. Today, I'm excited to share some valuable insights about a crucial aspect of building your digital planner business, identifying your target audience and selecting your niche. It's akin to finding your tribe in a crowded room. Once you know who you're speaking to, everything else falls into place. So, let's dive into some key steps to help you figure this out. Step 1. Understanding your audience. All right, so imagine this. You're starting a digital planner business, right? Well, the first thing you got to do is figure out who you're making these planners for. Think about it like this. Who's gonna benefit the most from your planners? Are they students, busy professionals, parents juggling a million things, or maybe even all of the above? Think about what makes them tick. What do they like? What do they struggle with? Are they into fitness, organization, or maybe just trying to survive college deadlines? The more you know about them, the better you can tailor your planners to fit their needs like a glove. Step 2. Conducting market research. Now, let's do some detective work. We gotta see what's already out there in the digital planner world. Check out what other planners are doing, what features do they offer, what do people love, and what do they wish they had. Dive into those customer reviews, social media comments, and see what's buzzing in the planner community. And don't forget about your competition. Who else is making digital planners? And how can you stand out from the crowd? Maybe there's a gap in the market you can fill, or a unique spin you can put on your planners that no one else has thought of. Step 3. Identifying pain points and needs. Now let's get real empathetic here. Put yourself in your audience's shoes. What bugs them? What keeps them up at night? Maybe it's the constant battle with time management, the struggle to stay organized, or the never-ending quest for productivity. Your job is to swoop in like a superhero and solve these problems with your digital planners. Think about the features and tools that could make their lives easier. Maybe it's customizable templates, reminder notifications, or goal tracking. Whatever it is, make sure your planners are like a Swiss Army knife ready to tackle any challenge your audience throws at them. Step 4. Selecting your niche. All right, time to pick your playground. You can't be everything to everyone, so it's time to narrow down your focus. What's your specialty gonna be? Maybe you're all about academic planners for students, meal planning for busy moms, or budget trackers for finance gurus. Find your niche, your sweet spot, where you can really shine. What makes you different from the rest? Maybe it's your killer design skills, your knack for creating user-friendly interfaces, or your deep understanding of your audience's need. Whatever it is, own it and make it your superpower. Step 5. Testing and refining. Last but not least, let's put your ideas to the test. Whip up a prototype of your digital planner and put it out into the world. Get feedback from your target audience. What do they love? What could be better? Use that feedback to fine-tune your planners until they're perfect. Think of it like sculpting a masterpiece. You start with a rough sketch, then you chisel away until you've got something beautiful. Keep iterating, keep refining until your digital planners are the best they can be. And there you have it. By identifying your target audience and selecting your niche, you're setting yourself up for success in the digital planner world. Remember, it's all about connecting with your audience, understanding their needs, and delivering a product that they can't resist. So go out there and make your mark.